Akila? Akila?
Daddy?
Come here. Shall we clean your teddy bear? Okay.
Milk, milk, milk.
Don't play in the water, dear. Go inside. Take your doll and go inside, please.
Milk, milk.
See, the milkman uncle came. Go and inform your mom.
Mom, milkman. Why are you late?
I'm sorry I came late today. I'll come early tomorrow.
Abhi, look, milk came. Come and get it.
Hello, brother. Yesterday milk was very watery.
What do? I didn't go to milk the cows yesterday. The owner went and milked the cows.
Oh, owner did. Then it will be water only.
What do? You can't separate milk and water, right?
Aragi, this is a village. See it properly. I should eat that. Alagi, careful, careful, careful. Careful, careful, careful. Should eat that. I love you. Oh my God, these guys are there.
Isn't that Seconds?
Forget about Seconds, man. Who is the lady with him?
Hey, call him. Let's ask him who she is.
Hey, Seconds, come here.
Where were you? You were not to be seen for the past few days.
I went to my village and got married. She's my wife.
Your wife?
Are you telling us this? You go only for second hand.
Hey, buddy, you used to buy your inners also for second hand only. How can you marry a fresh girl? Hey, lady, you're second hand only, no?
Oh, no. He's my fifth husband.
Hey, you didn't tell me the name.
Seconds.
Hey, who asked your name, man? I asked her.
Baby, tell your name.
Aragi.
Aragi, you really look beautiful.
My dear boy, please be seated. I got this girl.
That's right, but we wanted to see her.
Enough seeing her. Come, baby. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, baby.
God, you should only take care of everything. Look, Guna.
Sir.
Will the vehicle be ready today?
Yes, sir. Sure, sure.
Before I come to understand my own birth, why did you come and born as my son, my dear son? There are people who are longing to have a child.
Hey, Subramani, come. Hey, Guna.
Yes,
we
boss?
have singers here.
Welcome, bro. Actually, at this time, I really expected you.
How will I not come here?
You are buying every week 5 packets.
Brother, please sing a nice song.
What's wrong in that? I can sing. Mother, my mother, why did you give birth to me? I'm the burden to you too, and I'm burden to me too. Mother, my mother, why did you give birth to me? Till the house relatives, till the street my wife, till the burial my son, till the last who is dead, till
Brother, give
the
them to me.
last who is dead. Sir, I'll leave, sir.
We are
Okay,
leaving.
stay
Bye,
blessed.
sir.
bro.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye, bye.
We'll come
Bye,
again.
sir.
Bye, ma'am.
Till the
Be careful.
house relatives, till
A
the
husband and wife
street
must be
my
like this.
wife.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. You gave me everything, little bit more. I believe I can fly. I believe I can
Abhi?
touch the sky.
Abhi?
Yeah, coming. You go and fresh up. I'll bring the dinner. Hello, just come fast, okay?
Yeah, coming. You two sit. What you have made today? Enough. Ahead? What about you? Take some. Please, little. You want some more?
No, enough. You have. Shall I put some more?
No. Enough.
Very little.
No. Thank you.
Please have.
It's enough for me.
Honey, tomorrow is Pradosham. Shall we go to the temple tomorrow?
Tomorrow I have lot of works in workshop. You take Akila with you. Okay? My God.
Honey, all the time you are working. You should take care of your health too.
I feel too tired now. I feel sleepy. Good night.
Yeah, always you're going after your work. Don't take me anywhere and don't do anything for me.
Are your parents coming home?
No, sister. Nobody haven't come.
Mom?
Which class your daughter is studying now? Hey, Aki, don't go there. Sister, I'll go and get her back.
Hey, this is Ravi's daughter.
Yeah.
Come, my dear sweetheart. Where's your mom?
Mom is there.
Oh, she's down there. Baby,
Akila,
did you worship
I
God?
am your grandmother.
Okay. Go to Granny. Hey, she's coming. Put her down.
Lift me.
Why are you trying unnecessarily?
Why are you looking at me differently?
Are you new to this village?
I'm going to Chinnakulam.
Chinnakulam? Why are you going to Chinnakulam?
Is there a problem?
No, you're a newcomer, no, that's why.
Why? Newcomers shouldn't come, is it?
Yes, sir. This time ours will be nice. Sir.
Is
Yes,
it good? Go and clean that place. I'm telling you from the morning.
Oh,
Go.
okay, sir. Okay.
What, Margadam? There is a high sugar in the tea and you look too happy. What is matter today?
Nothing like that. You see, today we had a good worship, isn't it?
Yeah, I saw, sweetheart. I saw Kumaraswamy and I saw my God too.
What are you saying?
Our own daughter. I pampered her in on my chest. But I'm not able to carry my granddaughter on my chest.
She is only our beloved daughter. We have met her after 2 years. Even then we could not talk to her. What to do? We are very unlucky, you know.
Don't cry, Margadam. Don't cry. Don't cry, Margadam. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't cry. Don't cry, Margadam.
How long further should we go?
Sir, after this pond, our village only. Come, sir.
Good morning, sir. Are you new to this place?
Yeah? How many of you will be asking the same questions?
Asking the same question to a stranger is regular only.
I've come to your village as a new teacher.
Are you teacher?
But you're wearing a specs. You don't look like a teacher to me at all.
This is a cooling glass.
Just because I'm a villager, don't try to fool me. Cooling glass are black in color. Yours is transparent, sir. I pity those school children. Good luck to them.
What do you do?
Because of the people like you, I lost my life.
Why? How? What happened?
The teacher like you asked me so many questions, so I left the school immediately.
Typical village pun.
No, I told you seriously.
Hey, please stop, no.
Abhi, hey Abhi, why is your leg so beautiful?
Hey, don't pull my legs. What is this?
Be careful. Don't go so deep, otherwise you'll trip and fall.
What's this? The pots are floating?
Oh, that. You are a city man, no? You couldn't get that. It's there for measure the depth.
I know that, but these are moving. It's very different.
You are right. They are all different.
Shh. Be silent for a minute. Hold this as well.
Okay, sir.
Hey, who's that?
Hey, what are you guys doing there?
I think they found out. Come on, let's go. We might get beaten.
You rascals, stop there.
Hey, come, let's go.
Hurry up.
Don't try to
Let's
escape.
run.
Hey, stop there.
Run,
Go,
run,
sir,
run,
sir,
go,
sir,
go,
don't
go,
allow
run,
them to
run.
escape. Catch them, sir.
I'm a respectable person here. Remove your hand.
Hey, you're watching the women bathe, and why should I respect you?
Super!
Muttu, who is he?
Oh, he's the new teacher of our village.
Oh, I see.
Super!
Hey!
Hey, look there. Water snake is coming.
Let's trigger him and have some fun today.
Hey! Why are you guys staring at me? Huh?
Brother, we were talking only about you,
What
brother.
were you talking about me, huh? Even though I'm a bit high, I notice all of you from a distance. That's the reason I came to have a word with all of you. So now tell me, what were you talking about me, huh? Stop staring at me and open your bloody mouths.
Bro, what is this, bro? We don't have money to drink. We thought you will come and give lot of money to us for drink, but you are avoiding us.
Hey, don't touch me. I fooled a person and bought a drink for myself. How dare you put your hand in my pocket, huh?
Bro, I have an idea.
What's your idea? Are you really capable of doing it?
We too have some talent, no, bro.
Even I'm quite talented.
Brother, show your skill, brother.
I'll show you. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say something to all of you. If you're interested to hear me, I request all of you to come here. Trust me, you don't want to miss something like this. Come, come. My brother here is going to perform a task. He's going to blindfold his eyes and walk on an iron rod. I'm sure all of you here are excited to see this.
Brother, tying the eyes.
Oh, I already told that. He's going to blindfold his eyes. I'll say it again. He's going to blindfold his eyes. Are you ready, brother? Come on now. Empty those pockets. Give us some money. Oh, wow. I don't believe this. Alagi is here too. How are you, madam? I hope you're having a good day. Wait till the end. Don't leave midway. I'll be back. Oh, I forgot to tell you, not only him, all of them are going to walk on this rod now. Don't close your eyes. Be very attentive. Come on, boys. Let the show begin. I'm sure you've never seen something like this before. Come on, come on. Give us some money. Give us some money. Yeah. Hey, what's this? They said that they would hang the iron rod mid-air. Oh,
Hey.
no.
I thought you were going to walk on the rod on the top, but you kept on the floor and walking on that. What do you think? We are all fools?
No,
are
no,
you
even
trying to
I
cheat
thought
us
the
and take
same
money
thing,
from us?
But I got fooled.
Sure,
Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. No, please.
What, Abhi? Are you cleaning the rice?
Yeah, sister. Akila, come here.
Coming.
Don't go and play there. Go inside. Hey, don't eat rice, okay? Leave it.
You are eating.
Very naughty girl.
Hey, don't take that rice. Come here.
I want.
Don't say that. I won't give you rice. Go.
I want it.
Take your hands off.
Give, I will do.
Don't do, Akila.
Give me.
Hey, Abhi. Akila has grown up now. Are you not sending her to school?
Yeah, sister, need to join. I'm waiting for the good day to come.
Tomorrow is an auspicious day. Why don't you do it tomorrow?
Abhi, I'm going to workshop.
Yeah, okay.
Bye, dear.
Bye, Dad. I'll also go.
Tomorrow wanna join Akila to school. You please ask for leave.
Tomorrow I have job. You yourself take her. Okay? I am moving.
Just sleep, okay? Really irritating.
Abhi, bye.
Raman,
Yes, sir.
Karpagam, Sivaraj, Pavitra, Kirtika.
So may I come in?
Come, Abhi. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
Whose baby is this?
My daughter Akila, sir. I came for her admission.
Oh. Does your father talk to you?
Not yet.
Leave it. Where will he go? He was very, very adamant right from the childhood. Everything would be okay. Hey, Manikam, come here.
Sir?
This baby must be admitted in the first standard. Take them.
Okay, sir. Come, ma'am.
Say him Tata.
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 1 ones are 1.
1 ones are 1.
2 ones are 2.
2 ones are 2.
3 ones are 3.
3 ones are 3.
4 ones are 4.
4 ones are 4.
5 ones are 5.
5 ones are 5.
Sir?
What, Kana?
Sir, she is new admission, sir.
Okay.
She has come to see you.
What's your name?
Akila.
Who's Rakila?
Say good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I saw you fighting very nicely. Super.
You remember everything? Come here, come here, come here.
Please
Say
take
bye
care
to
of
mommy.
Bye,
Say
Mom.
goodbye,
Ta-ta.
say goodbye. Oh. Say bye to
Ta-ta.
mama.
Tata.
La 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 la
Brother?
la.
Good morning, brother. Why you are not talking, brother? Please stop there. Let's finalize everything. Brother, how are you?
Good morning, brother.
Come on, he's running. Come on, run, fast, fast. Brother, please, brother, 1 second. Please, don't avoid us. Brother, please. Only 5 minutes. Why are you doing this, bro? What happened to you, brother? Why are you making us to run?
Leave me alone. Because of you the other day, the whole village got together and beat me up. I shouldn't have believed you. That was my biggest mistake. You placed the iron rod on the road, walked on it, and ran away. Well, forget it. How much money did you make the other day?
We got 2 full bottles.
2 big bottles? Did you leave any alcohol for me, huh?
We kept it, bro. But this idiot drank the 2 full in a single gulp.
Are you sure? Was it him or you?
Yes, he only drank. I just acted to show you.
I trust you. He's capable of doing it. Greedy fellow.
Brother, leave that, brother. We are all like your brothers. Shut up! Brother, if you beat also, we will be with you only.
I hit him. Why are you getting angry?
Brother, beating is not an issue.
We are like your brothers, bro.
When they were hitting me, you didn't come and help me. Now you come and tell me I'm like your brother.
Hereafter we don't do
let's
this,
forget
bro.
the past.
Excuse me, I'm done bathing. You can wash your clothes now.
Okay, sir.
Hey.
What, Saroja? The years are going by and you look too young.
What about you? You are also the same like before. Show is going to start. See you later.
Oh.
My dear boy, as usually I've started playing, chasing Saroja, eh?
Am I going to do what you're not done in your age?
Don't remind me of
uncle,
those things.
Come. Saroja is Saroja only.
How are you? Came to the temple, is it?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. It's a very nice temple.
Really? How do you know
I
that?
just now prayed and it came true.
Oh, what did you pray it for?
Whatever you pray, you shouldn't reveal to others.
Mm.
Bye, Akila.
Say bye.
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 Bye. See you.
I'm going through hell these days. I need to go to the temple.
Hey man, I heard that villagers slapped you.
How did this guy get to know?
Even my workshop people know that.
This is so bad.
Don't mingle with these guys here. Okay, bye.
Do I really need to hear such advices?
So you will take
I will come with you. You don't worry.
Let's go.
How come these people are happy while we
You
are
remember the other day you all ran away?
here? Yes.
Those guys coming here hit me the most.
We should not leave them, bro.
You're right.
We have to take revenge.
Let's call them here.
What side shall we
You
order?
both, come here. Brother is calling you.
Yes, water snake.
We called you because we want to talk to the both of you.
Yeah,
come
we're
here. Come here.
What?
Who's he?
My best friend.
Your best friend, huh? You guys can leave. Go.
What, Snake? You called us and not telling anything?
Yes, I did. But looks like you're having a good time with your best friend. I'll talk to you later. Go.
Okay, go,
Mr.
go,
Snake,
go.
you want to say something? Say that.
Should I tell him?
They are asking very eagerly, no? Tell them, bro.
Okay.
Tell. Yes, tell. Please tell them.
Should I tell you?
Yes.
I came to your house yesterday.
Okay.
I heard laughter.
Then?
I yelled, Monica, Monica, Monica. On hearing my voice, your wife opened the door.
Okay.
She told me my husband's not at home.
Yeah, man, I went to buy a cow yesterday.
You were busy in your work and she was doing something fishy.
Huh? What are you saying?
Well, when I came to your place, I saw these slippers there. It was at the entrance.
How many times I told you? When I'm not there at home, don't come to my house. I told
Your
you
wife
many
only
times.
call me.
If she calls, you will come, huh?
Hey, don't do this. Hey, you will. Hey, leave me. Hey.
I was waiting for this day. I'm so happy. Let's leave. Come on, let's go. Yeah.
We have to escape. Hi, dear. Why are you very quiet?
Honey will bite from here.
Okay.
We'll
What
buy
do you want?
beans.
Toy
Yeah, take it.
chocolate.
Brother, give me half kg of beans.
Definitely I will buy
Please
for you.
Give me
buy.
half kg beans.
Half kg is enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
Drumstick.
Here, madam.
How much? How much for beans?
15 rupees.
Oh my god, this is very high.
Everything has become costly.
What, dear?
Buy drumstick.
Oh, you want drumstick?
Give me.
Your father doesn't like drumstick.
Give me.
Hey, you.
Hi, Akila. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Hello, sir. This is Akila's teacher.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
This is Akila's father.
How are you and your family, sir?
I'm not yet married.
Father, mother?
They are in the city.
Oh, they are living in the city. Okay.
Yes.
One day, please come to our
Let's
home.
go.
Definitely.
Shall we
Okay,
move, Abhi?
sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
See you,
we'll
sir.
go.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
See you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Akila.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Everyone draw as I do.
Nice tree. Hey, give me that. That is my chalk. My pencil.
No noise, children.
Okay, sir.
Be silent. Don't talk and just draw. Akila, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. What did you draw?
You draw
What did you draw?
star.
Oh, star. Tell quick, what should we draw? Here, look at it. Do you like it?
It's nice, sir.
Okay, hold this carefully.
Super sad. A, B, C, D, E, F.
Dear Akila, what are you doing? Akila, what is this? Who drew this?
Sir.
sir?
Yes?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. And you?
I'm your student, Akila's mother speaking.
Oh, tell me. What's the matter?
You have noticed in the diary for school annual day drawing competition.
Yeah.
I want to talk about it.
Her voice is as sweet as yours. She'll sing at the annual day.
Thank you, sir.
Why are you walking? What happened to your bike?
It got punctured. That's why.
That's why you're walking, is it? By the way, where is Akila?
Yeah, she's at home only.
Akila is a bright student. You're training her well, I think. I hope you're taking a look at her homework note every day. Why? You don't like it?
Yeah, it was good. But you drawn my picture.
The moment I like something, I will draw it immediately. That's my habit. The first time I saw your face, that moment itself, it stuck to my heart. Are you able to understand what I'm telling?
Okay, sir. I'm going. Akila is alone at home. Bye.
Come, I can drop you.
I don't need. Just go, man. Go.
Abhi? Abita, are you there? Akila, are you studying? Where's mom?
Mom is inside.
Oh, Abita? Abita?
What, sister? Take it. Yeah, tell me what you want.
Nothing, Abhi. I just now made stew. I don't have mustard. Can you give?
Yeah, I'll give you now.
What, Abhi? Are you writing?
Can't you see that?
Talkative girl. What is this? This looks just like Abhi. Who has drawn this?
You asked for mustard, no? Go and temper it.
Leave all that, Abhi. Suddenly there's some brightness in your face.
Just go, sis. Don't play with me, okay?
Hey, wait. Is there anything between you and the master?
Sister, don't think too much, okay?
Don't try to stop me. What do you have to say about this drawing?
This is her sore only drawn.
He's drawn it very well. It looks real. I saw everything during that festival time.
Sister, it's that.
Anyway, you're very lucky.
I welcome our chief guest, our Panchayat leader, Mr. Sivasamy, for this function. He needs no introduction, as you all know about him. I welcome all the students and their parents who have come to this function. I am very happy to see you all here today. Now, in appreciation of the skills of the students, our teacher Anand will speak.
My humble greetings to all of you and those who have presided over here. And my regards to those who have come in to make this a very special day. Now, Alagasan of grade 5 will tell you a story.
Once there was a sculptor. One day he was making a statue. That stone told him it's getting hurt. He left it and took another stone. That stone kept quiet. It became a statue of God.
Now, Akila of grade 1 will come here and sing a song.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy finger, mummy finger, brother finger, sister finger, baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
I would now like to call Akila on stage. She has won the first prize in the singing competition. She studies in the first standard. We request the headmaster to please honor her.
Hey, why are you standing alone? Don't have anyone with you?
No, sir. Akila's father has to come. He have work. It seems he couldn't come.
It's about to rain, I think, and Akila has slept. How will you go that far?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about.
If you don't mistake me, I can drop you. You can come now.
Dad.
Come, Abhi. Don't be hesitant. Come on.
Okay. Akila is sleeping. Let me take her.
Look here. Look here. Come here. Come fast.
What happened?
Come here, I will tell you.
What happened? As if that you poured hot water on your leg. Okay. What happened? You're so happy today.
You see this? Our granddaughter's photo in paper.
You're seeing only in the paper. I saw your granddaughter singing and getting praise. I was so happy.
What is this? Every time you say she's my granddaughter. Is she not your granddaughter also?
Marugadam, I have come to a very good decision. On a very precious day, we'll bring our daughter and son-in-law to our house.
Really?
Yes.
I am so happy now. I am so thankful to you for this decision. Do that first.
See how you're happy?
When I called her, she told that she'll come. Will she come or won't come? Maybe I'll call her again.
Why are you silent? You only call me, right?
I like you very much.
I'm a married woman. Don't you remember that?
That is why I'm hesitant.
Or else?
Else I would have kidnapped you and married you. Do you like me?
You can ask this over the phone. Why did you call me this long?
I wanted to see you in person.
You saw me, right? Okay, I'm leaving now.
Abhi? You haven't answered my question.
Call me on the phone.
Abhi! Hey, Abhi! What happened? Are you hurt? Wait. Let me see.
Oh my God, it's paining. It's paining. Oh my God. Yeah, it's okay. It's really paining.
Hey buddy, owner arrived or not?
Not yet come, man.
Good morning. Hey man.
What, bro? Your daughter's photos come in the paper, but no party for us?
Definitely, I'll give the party.
Buy them a couple of drinks, brother. I'll only have a peg.
First you do your work properly. Don't talk too much, okay?
He is a small boy.
You should give me party for giving birth to such a brilliant child.
What, Guna? Your cracking's yours.
Okay, tomorrow we will have lunch together at my home.
A party?
If we'd have known before, we'd have saved 2 days food money.
Good morning, boss.
And do your work fast. Why are you laughing? What is here to laugh? What are you laughing about?
Nothing, boss. Guna is giving treat to us tomorrow.
Abhi, I filled water. Now it's your turn. What, Abhi? Are you daydreaming?
Nothing, sister.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's over. I'll take.
I know what you're thinking about. You don't have to lie to me. Okay. Carry on.
Abhi, water is overflowing.
Oh, shh.
Abhi, tomorrow 4-5 people will be here for lunch. What, Abhi? You didn't ask me why they are coming for lunch? Abhi? Abhi? Hey, Abhi! What happened to you?
What? For whom? Why feast?
Akila's photo came in the paper, no? That's why I called them for lunch. Prepare it nicely, okay?
Okay.
Abhi? What happened to you?
No, nothing. No, nothing.
Hey, I know what you're thinking. It's about Anand sir, right? How can I forget him? He's the reason for everything. So I even called him also. Where is Akila?
She's inside.
Oh, you serve the food. I feel very hungry. I will come after washing my hand.
Okay.
Hey!
Okay.
Come!
Then,
Hurry up!
else?
Come fast!
What else? Okay. So when are we meeting?
Come! Fast!
Fast. Okay, no problem.
Guys,
Okay.
keep quiet.
I will come. What time?
Please, I'm begging you. Keep quiet.
Oh, is it?
Come here.
Okay.
Come with me. Come.
Okay.
Okay.
Then? Okay.
Listen to me. I'll go inside and take the food. In case he gets up, call me.
I know.
Okay.
Then? What else?
Wow, yummy food, guys. Come.
Okay. Fine then.
Hey, there's rice here. Hey,
No,
silence.
you give. See? Very naughty. Okay.
Hey, there's fish curry.
Take your hand. I am first. Hey, don't touch. Okay, you do.
Yeah. I am telling the truth. Oh, my husband, he's sleeping like a hog.
Guys. Huh? Where are these guys? Hey, what are you guys doing?
Just brushing.
Aren't you guys hungry?
No, hungry.
Stop wasting time. Let's go eat.
You also try. No, also
No, please.
Will you come?
Oh, wow. This is so good.
Hey, thief! Get up! Snake! Go catch him!
Who's that?
There were 4-5 people. Go fast!
Hey, what is it? Are you running? I'm not going to leave you, man. Tomorrow I'll complain to village headman. Come, darling, come. You sleep. You take rest. I'll take care of it. You take rest. I'll take care of you tomorrow. They might come back. I'll sleep here itself. Little move.
Not here. Down on the floor. Don't take advantage of the situation, okay? What do you think
She's
of
not
me?
loving me. That is all my luck is.
Yeah, come and sit. All are welcome.
Yeah,
Please come
how
inside.
are you all?
Honey,
Huh?
you make them sit. I'll serve food.
Okay.
Did you cook all this? Nobody assisted you?
She needs nobody. She can do everything by herself.
Hello. Don't pull my legs, okay?
I want more rice.
Yeah, I'll give.
Yes, only some. Enough.
Hey, Abhi, Anand sir has come. Hi, sir.
Oh,
Please
he's
come,
come.
sir. Sir, come and sit. Please come. What,
Hello.
sir? You're so late.
I had to meet someone on the way.
Oh, is it?
Dear, ask him to wash his hands and sit. I'll serve.
Enough.
Shall I put some more?
Abhi, your cooking is very tasty.
Brother, I want another egg.
Hey, are you enjoying the lunch?
Yes, brother, it's tasty.
I'm telling you, it's really nice. Very nice.
Complimenting just for the namesake, or are you really enjoying?
Yes, boss.
I have never tasted anything like this. Very nice. What Guna, you're always silent.
He can neither enjoy nor express anything. He has been like this always.
When are you inviting us for lunch again?
Hey, you're not even finished this and you're expecting
Just
more.
asking. These guys are good for nothing. They're hopeless.
They don't have any other job. Come, we will move.
Hey, Water Snake, what's the problem? Tell me.
Sir,
Brother,
what happened?
why are you telling all these small things to him? You just hold on, we will tell.
Brother, you just be quiet and only watch.
Hey, don't forget you're supposed to speak only the truth in front of the panchayat head.
We will tell only the truth. Hey, start.
We were all very hungry. We went to brother and asked for some food.
He told that he will buy dinner for 3 of us. After going to that home only, we come to know that he is going to rob
Hey
them.
guys, please don't lie.
Bro, shut up, bro. We are going in a flow. Why you are disturbing us unnecessarily?
Stop blaming me and speak the truth.
Just because we were hungry, so we went inside.
While we were eating, this brother...
Hey!
Hey, you. Tell without fear.
Rubbing madam's abdomen.
Oh no, I don't believe this. I went inside to eat some food. When I came out, you three guys were rubbing her stomach. I have nothing to do with this. Hey, trust me, brother, I'm speaking the truth.
Hey, is it Water Snake? I know about you very well. On that day, you are rubbing my wife's cheek in front of me.
Don't blame me,
I know
okay?
about you.
Our village people know
I will
all
tell
this.
you an idea. Every hand has a different style.
What are you trying to say?
Once again, all of you rub her stomach.
What a brilliant idea. You're unbelievable.
Okay, madam, you come and lie down here. Let us identify.
Hey, you're asking her to lie down here?
Only then I can also have a good feeling.
He is right only. You go and lie there. Okay, all of you start immediately.
Huh? He's going on and on.
Why always she's not giving any reaction?
Leave me. Hey, you also come and rub. What are you seeing?
Do I have to do it?
Only then we'll know. Come here.
You don't trust me?
Yes, you are the important culprit. Come here.
What do I do? The head is looking at me.
Do it, do it. Hey, Arigi, who is the one who rubbed your stomach?
Even now, I'm confused. If you want one more try.
Yeah, sir, once again. Hey, useless fellow. Somebody rubbed their stomach at home. Now here
He's
it is
right.
embarrassing for us. Once again you want to do? What, you're watching movie? Get out, get out, get out from here. Go, go, go. You get lost, get lost. Go, get out from here. Get away.
Brother, thank you so much. I'll get you married to my daughter.
Daddy!
Hi, dear.
Daddy!
Come.
Usually she only comes and you've come today. What a surprise.
Today's a holiday, that's why I came. Tell Tata to sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Na 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 na. What's that noise? It's Alagi. Wow, she looks so beautiful today. Oh, Alagi. Oh, my darling, you're here.
Are you going to collect water?
Don't you see that?
Let's go together and collect some water.
Don't hold my hand. Aren't you ashamed?
Hey, I just held your hand.
That's what I said. Just shut up.
Wow. She's so beautiful. Will she accept me as her sixth husband? Oh, I hope she does. Oh my God, my future looks so bleak.
Why did you come suddenly like this? If my husband would have seen you, I don't think this will go on.
I've thought about it and I think it's right, Abhi.
I'm really worried about it.
Don't be afraid, Abhi. I'm there. I can't think of a life without you being there.
I don't know where to start and how to talk.
Abhi, if I have to live, that'll be with you. If you reject me, I'll not be alive. Look at me, Abhi. I need you. I need you.
Please try to understand, Anand.
I'll tell you something. Let's get out of here.
Don't be confused. If anybody sees us, I'm going now.
Abhi, listen to me. You come with me, Abhi. Let's live a happy life together. I'm telling you again, if you don't come tonight, tomorrow morning, you will hear my death news.
Akhila baby, you must study well, okay?
I will study well.
You must eat well.
I will eat well, Mom.
Don't give trouble to your father.
Okay, Mom.
Sleep, dear.
I will sleep only with you, Mom.
Let your father come. I'll give him food and then come. You sleep now. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. 3 packs full. 1 for my master.
Abhi! What happened? You're not feeling well?
No, nothing.
Shall you go to doctor?
No, not required.
I know there is nothing in your body, right? There is something in your mind. I know everything. I can understand your feeling. You worried because of my delay. Am I right? I am not spending time with you, always telling about job. That is why you worried. I know everything. Why I am doing all these hard works? Only because of you and Akhila. Who is calling at this time?
That, missed call. No, wrong number.
Even I too receive so many calls like this.
Oh my God, shit.
Milk, milk, milk. Milk is here. Ma'am, I've got milk. Milk. Please open the door. I've got milk. I don't have much time. Please come fast. What happened, brother? Where's your wife? Isn't she at home?
I think she went somewhere outside. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Oh, Akila, you woke up. Wait a minute, I will come. Hey, my darling dear, my darling. Oh, wait, I don't know where mother went. Within 5 minutes, I will get to your milk. Okay. Mwah. Daddy will come with milk. Okay, sleep. Where did she go so early?
Guna. Hey, Guna.
What, boss?
Guna.
Tell me, boss.
I don't know how to say this. Abhi. I saw Abhi.
Abhi?
Early morning, I saw Abhi with the teacher on a bike.
What happened, Kanairam? Why are you running like this?
Boss, there is a big mistake happened.
What are you saying?
Boss, everybody is saying that our Abhi madam eloped with schoolmaster.
Oh, what kind of a girl you are? Leaving your husband and child, how could you run away with somebody? Is it good for you? How could you leave such a small and brilliant child and go with somebody? What sin that small child has done to you? God. Why did I give birth to you? What has happened to you? What happened?
Boss,
Tell me.
What happened, boss?
See what has happened to him.
Sir, please tell me. Sir,
Where are you going?
Giving birth to this kind of child. We have to go and die somewhere. Come, let's get out of this village.
Daddy, where is mom? Where is mummy? Tell daddy.
Abhi, my darling baby. Are you angry with me? Why?
Why are you late?
There was a job in workshop. That's why I delayed.
Always you're busy with your work and workshop.
No, Abhi, I was about to start. Meantime, my owner came.
Who is important, me or that owner?
Okay, where are your friends?
They left early because they don't want to disturb us.
Then come, we'll go in cycle. Definitely we'll enjoy. Come. Come, Abhi, come. No. You should not sit back. Sit in front.
Why do you want me to sit in front?
There is a reason behind that.
You're very clever.
If you're with me, not only courage, all other feelings attacking me.
If someone sees us and inform in my house...
Let them go and say, I don't have any fear.
Hey, both of you come here.
What happened, boss?
What were you doing?
We are doing our job.
What work have you finished?
We washed the vehicle.
Cleaned the floor, boss.
Clean? This place doesn't look clean at all. A spanner and a bolt is different, do you know that?
Yes, boss.
If you don't know, Guna will come. Ask him, he will tell you.
I'll ask him, sir. Boss, if they are going to ask about job, he is going to teach them. These idiots are asking about romance.
What does he know about love?
Brother Guna is a romantic person. He knows a lot about love more than you.
Let Guna know all about this. But how do you say that I don't know? I also loved lot of females when I was young.
Then why don't you get married, my boss?
But nobody loved me, so I did not get married. Living all alone.
Hey. Hi, boss.
Guna.
What? Tell me.
What, Guna? You're loving someone?
It's not like that, boss.
I know all about that, but don't get into trouble. Do not get carried away by beauty. I am telling you from experience. You have to live only with beard.
Where's your beard now, boss?
You stupid fellows asking me questions? Go get your job
boss.
done. These guys brought my memories of younger days and spoiled my mood.
You know from what time I'm waiting here?
Huh? For you it's very easy. You can come at any time. But I'm not like that. I'm coming from the long distance.
You also learn to drive the vehicle.
Will you teach me?
Oh, sure.
How?
First, I will teach you how to catch and how to leave it.
What?
I will teach you how to catch brake and how to leave the clutch.
Oh.
Okay, come. Sit on the bike. Come.
Hey.
Hey, be cool.
Hey.
I am there now.
Oh,
Why are you afraid? Ride. Look straight and ride.
No, Guna.
Don't
I'm
worry.
scared, Guna.
Come on, ride.
Guna,
Yes,
please,
yes,
please.
like that only. Come on, come on.
Scared.
Do it. You
Guna,
can, you
Guna.
can. Very nice. Shall we go for another one round?
No, I don't want.
Please, please.
Please, Guna. If anybody sees, they'll inform to my house.
How many days we can live with all these fears? Shall we go to some other village?
I don't like to run away. We'll get permission first from our family and get married.
If your father denies means?
You just marry me and I'll come to your home. What you gonna do?
Each year I will give you a child and ask you to sing lullaby. Hey,
You're very naughty.
Abhi.
I couldn't complete English paper.
That is why I told you should love an Englishman.
What you're saying?
You look at Abhi. She's changed like anything. She looks really modern.
What you're saying is correct.
Hey, look there. What, Abhi? Your lover's waiting for you? Okay, we are going.
Now she will not bother about us.
Are you waiting for a long time?
To make me wait is your hobby, no? And also you will enjoy that very much.
Guna, next week I have to submit my project. Can you make a house for me? It should be beautiful.
I will make a different one.
What will be the difference?
Different means if you go and stand in front of door means door will automatically open. And then
And then?
if you enter into the living room means the fan will automatically rotate. And then TV is also automatic. Then bedroom?
Gonna sleep over?
No sleeping, only romance. I am going to prepare a different house like this. On the other hand, what you will give me?
What you want?
For me, here one.
She, you're very naughty. Close your eyes. Come here. Come here.
Hey, you are cheating.
All this after marriage only.
Giri, Get spanner number 8.
You should have seen brother's face. He was blushing. I was hiding and watching him.
Is it? Did you see?
I saw brother. It was funny.
Yeah, is it? Okay, why did you go there?
I was on my way to the shop.
You're gonna.
Why did you bring this? Where is he?
Look there.
You know what happened there? He was... Yeah, I'll tell you later.
Hey, why are you laughing there? If there is no owner means you won't work, right? What you both are doing there?
Brother, I had a doubt. That's why I asked him and sorted it out.
What's doubt on that?
Brother, what's mwah, mwah, mwah?
Means I think it's kiss, Giri.
I saw what happened today. Your lover asked that small girl to come and kiss you.
Hey Giri, you lousy idiot.
Brother,
hey,
no,
stop
no,
that, stop that. Hey,
no,
don't
brother,
run.
brother,
You idiot, you saw that. Abhi? Hey, why are you crying? Tell me, why are you crying?
Parents came to know everything, Guna.
Anyhow, one day the truth will come out. Now it has happened. For that, why are you crying?
Tonight, my father is going out of station regarding some work. After my mom sleep, I'll come out from my home. You please wait in front of the temple. We'll leave from this place, Guna.
You want us to run away? Okay, Abhi. I can do anything for you. I'll be waiting. You please come. Abhi, don't cry. Don't cry, I'm here. I will be there with you. Abhi, today night you come as you said. I'll be waiting there in the temple. We will get married. Now stop crying. Go. Go. Go, Abhi. I am there with you throughout your life. Don't have fear. We will face anything.
What happened? Yours seems to be in good mood. Am I right?
Your beautiful hair and the single rose is adding so much to your beauty today.
Come on, you're talking too much. I'm feeling very
There is
shy.
a medicine for this. Should I give it?
No. That's enough. You started to teaching me like a school kid.
Shall we start the lesson? Huh? 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 Shall we see who clears whose doubt? Shall we
Leave
see?
me. You're talking like an experienced person. All your doubts will be cleared by me.
Doesn't matter.
Hey, hey, leave me.
Abhi, what is special today?
Your favorite onion dosa.
What do you like?
I like wheat dosa. Plain.
Okay, you come this side. Today I'm going to cook something special for you, okay? Wait. Abhi, it is ready.
Hi. Oh.
Is it hot? Let me feed you. Take this.
Oh, very nice.
Is it nice?
Side dish?
Garnishing. You can have me as a garnish.
Abhi, Akila is crying. Abhi, don't you hear Akila's cry? What are you doing? Abhi!
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high.
Excuse me? Anand's not at home?
No, he's gone outside.
Who are you?
I'm his wife.
We are his friends.
Inform him that we came here.
Okay.
She's so hot.
She has eloped with him and talks like his wife?
Let's arrange for a party then.
Hey, I think we should ask Anand first.
He has drunk with us many times. We'll see that later.
Anand is really lucky. He gets different chicks.
Who is the owner here?
Hello, mister. I'm standing like a pillar here. Can't you recognize me as the owner?
No, sir. I was seeing from the behind. I couldn't see the workshop itself. Are you the owner? Good morning, sir.
Be blessed. What do you want?
Do you have a second-hand tempo here?
What? Second-hand tempo? I don't have anything now.
Do you have second-hand 407 at least?
You want only second-hand, is it? Nothing new?
No, sir. I want only second-hand.
Always only second-hand, is it? Never buy anything new?
No, sir. That only people would have driven, so it will be easy to drive.
I can give you a second-hand auntie. Will you take it?
Yeah. Please give me. I can take it.
Hey, Giri, get the spare parts off his body.
No, sir. Leave me, please. No, I don't want.
Daddy, when will mommy come?
Forget about your mother, my dear. I am there, no? You can ask me whatever you want, okay?
Buy me an ice cream then.
Sure, dear.
Daddy, today Miss punished me.
Oh, is it so? Don't worry, I will buy you an ice cream, okay?
3 ice creams.
3? For whom?
One for you, one for me, and the other is for mommy. Where is mommy? Daddy, where is Mom?
Hey, do you know one thing?
Oh, shit.
Our neighbor Anand sir got married suddenly.
What nonsense. He would have brought someone's wife.
Is that? These days we can't trust anyone.
How did he become a master?
Hello. 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 Why are you so gloomy?
It's nothing.
Come, we'll have food.
I had my dinner on the way. Just leave me.
What happened to you?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Then why did you eat from outside?
I wanted to eat and I ate. Just don't keep bantering, okay? Shit. I've lost the interest to come home.
Did you eat food?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow you should bring your father.
Sure, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay.
She's very fidgety, isn't it?
How could she leave such a cute daughter and go with Anand master?
A woman who leaves her family will never be happy.
Surely she is going to destroy her life forever.
How long can we cheat this girl by saying mom will come, mom will come?
If this child knows her mother will not come, how will she react?
What can we do if her destiny is like that, teacher? Poor thing.
Yes, teacher.
I don't want Mummy. I hate her.
Akila dear, what are you doing?
Don't want Mummy. I don't want Mummy, Dad.
Come on, folks. Why so late?
Very heavy work, that's why I'm late.
Okay, just come in.
Hey, did you purchase the liquor?
Oh yeah, everything is ready.
Brother, we are drinking at your place. I hope your wife won't mind.
No bro, I've got the permission. No problem at all.
That's good. Awesome.
Come folks, come on. Take a seat. You too, brother.
Not bad. Your house is completely changed.
He is not a bachelor like us.
What are you saying?
Once a girl come inside, the house will be colorful. Am I right, Anand?
Anand, where's your wife?
Hey, just leave it. Let's start the party, man. Hey, take the table here and put the chair there. And take a water bottle.
Idiots.
Brother, you've forgotten how we used to mix the drink before.
Every time we used to mix it with cool drinks.
Very important.
My friend, we should be always together.
While studying in the college, what is the name of our group? You tell me, Anand.
Panja Pandavas. Who can forget it? Let's have the next round, buddy.
Not bad, brother. Anand still remembers everything. I wish I could eat an half-boil now. Even Anand loves it.
It won't be hot now, friend.
Hey, wait guys. You just want an half-boil, right? You just mix it and I'll go get a half-boil ready. And be back soon, okay?
Hey, careful, buddy.
Abhi? 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 Just 2 half-boils, okay? Please.
Leave me.
You're my darling, right?
Go away.
Just for my sake,
You go
darling.
outside.
My friends are waiting outside, please.
You go, I'll come.
Come soon, okay? Bro, just 5 minutes, okay? It'll be ready. Just wait, okay?
Okay.
Abhi, please, a little, okay? Oh, there's no water. Just stay here, I'll go and get it.
No, wait, brother. I'll go get it.
What?
Want some water?
Go.
Yeah, bring the water fast, man.
Darling, thank you, darling. Hey, take the F-boy.
Shit.
If the half-boil itself is so tasty, what if she cooks and gives to us? Huh?
Brother, we'll arrange that for us.
Hey, mind your words.
What, my friend, you are getting angry? We did all together. We always used to share anything, you know.
We used to share one fag and we used to eat in one plate. We can share everything like that, my dear.
Hey, she's my wife, man.
Hey, it's not like you're married to her. You guys ran away.
Hey, what did you just
Hey,
say?
don't
Hey,
don't
man,
hit him.
she's my wife.
Don't get angry,
guys,
man.
you're getting upset like this.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, come here.
Hey, come.
Hey, come here. I said come here. Come here. Lick her up. Carry on.
Shout.
Yeah.
Hey, Hari, where is Guna? Guna? Hey, Guna! Why are you sitting here? Did you have your food?
No hungry, boss.
If you say you're not hungry and don't eat, what would happen?
I'm not feeling hungry.
You have a child. You have to at least live for her. Don't think about any nonsense. Be bold.
Akila is repeatedly asking about her mother. Where is she? When she will come? I don't know till how many days I can convince her by telling so many lies.
For some time, you have to manage all this. Gradually, it'll all become okay.
Convincing Akila is not a very big issue for me. But this village people's speech is intolerable.
Don't listen to this world. You live or die, they are not bothered.
I am unable to forget Abhi, boss.
I have asked to get tiffin for you. Eat and work. I will support your life and your child. Don't give up. Be bold, huh?
Okay.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Hi, Akila. Where is father?
Daddy is sleeping.
Is he sleeping still?
Yes, Grandpa. You come here. Come fast.
Lazy fellow. I'll come.
Come
I'll
fast.
come immediately, Akila.
Daddy is not waking up. Come fast.
I will come and wake him up. I have already started.
Tell me, boss.
Hey, Giri.
What happened, boss?
Guna has left the world.
What are you saying, boss?
Yes, it is a suicide. He has taken poison.
Guna killed himself?
Come soon.
Boss?
What happened? What are you saying? Guna
Yes,
has died.
brother. Guna killed himself.
But he was alright.
Last week, his wife ran away with the school teacher. That's why he committed suicide. I'll leave now. I gotta go.
What kind of a lady she is? How could she leave this gentleman and go with somebody else?
What to do, dear? Whoever has two eyes who can see, they are running behind the beauty. He is taking other men's wife, and that man is taking his wife. God has not given us eyes. In one way, it is very good for us. Come, we'll go. Why this man is so ruthless, my God? Who sees that you will get hurt?
Oh my God, what is this? Why did you do like this, my dear son?
Guna, you should have lived a good life.
Why did you do this?
Not that.
Guna.
She has already lost her mother. Her father is also gone.
I told you so many times. You never listen to me. Such a lovely child. What I'm going to do?
I want Daddy.
Father went to God.
Where is Mummy?
My God. What can I say now?
Where is Mummy?
I'm also going. Very happy. I'm also going.